Today we're working on factoring. The first thing you should do when you factor is look for the greatest common factor. Right? It looks like the greatest common factor here is 6, so we factor out of 6, and we look at our remaining factors. Alright, so we have 5n squared plus 32n plus 12. So now we have this remaining trinomial, and you want to look at the sunglasses of these two numbers and construct your x. Right? You want to take 12 times 5, which gives you a plus 60, and you want to place your middle term at the bottom of the x. Right? Then you want to find two numbers that add to give you 32 and multiply to give you 60. Alright? So that will be a plus 30 and a plus 2. Next, you want to construct your box. Okay. You put 5n squared here, and you put 12 here, and you take your numbers from your x and plug them into the box. Now we're looking for the greatest common factor for each row, and then the greatest common factor from each column. The greatest common factor from the first column is n. The greatest common factor from the first row is 5n. The greatest common factor for the second column is 6, and the greatest common factor from the second row is 2. Right? And you can go back and check. You can say 5n times n is 5n squared, 5n times 6 is 30n, 2 times n is 2n, and 2 times 6 is 12. And therefore we can conclude that our factorization is 6 times n plus 6 times 5n plus 2. I hope that you all understood this. I hope that you go back and try to practice this on your own time.